You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good, I just can't help.
Putting on some kiss tattoos for our concert. We're ready! We're taking photos in the parking lot, but they turned out really cute, and we got some TikToks too.
You wanna be where art thou? Why not upon with me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy.
All been waiting for. Here she is, Sabrina
Good. Okay, left side. Give me everything you have in your soul right now. Ready? Come on. Na 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 na. Ooh. You lost all what coincidence. I'll be honest. Looking at you got me thinking nonsense. When you walk, and when you got your arms around me, oh, it feels so good. I never tell me often. Oh, I'm trying to make position. I'm gonna try this one. If you love me right then, please, 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 don't bring me tears when I just say I make myself right. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me on our please, please, anybody have some espresso? This is dire.
Good afternoon. It is 12 right now, and last night's concert was so great. I would say it's actually one of the concerts that probably is like the top 3 of like the most fun. The whole night, me and Melissa were just singing, and just like everyone was having a blast. Everyone was dressed up, and just the environment was like, I don't know, so hyped up. But yeah, I'm tired today, took the day off just to recover, and I'm making myself some ramen right now.
I don't wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy, just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet.
On a walk with Ellie. Haven't been on a walk with her in so long, but today is not raining and there's currently a blackout at the house, so I might as well just take her for a walk.
I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels.
Happy Saturday. I am all glammed up because I have a date with Christine, so I'm just waiting for her to come and pick me up. I'm gonna go ahead to Richmond and do some shopping, I guess, and eat some hot pot. Okay, outfit, top, cardigan is from Abercrombie. I'm wearing a v-neck long sleeve from Aritzia, and then pants, trousers are also from Abercrombie as well. So just wanted to be comfy-ish, but then still wanted to kind of dress up, and yeah. See you later. With Christine now, and we are almost to Richmond Center. Currently in Zara right now. Not really looking for anything particular, so just kind of browsing.
I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? I hope you hit me back.
Yeah, we're finally going out and shopping.
Well, we're browsing so far.
Yeah,
we haven't shopped anything.
Yeah, it's true. So we're gonna browse a little more, see if we can find anything. Snack, yeah, get some bubble waffle. Way to pee now.
Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just
We ended up here after waiting an hour at Piping Hot. A day is not complete without boba. I know, second stomach.
Day and night I'm missing you, keep running around my head, just dreaming every possibility. Oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just.
I stole a piece of bread. Maybe like 11:45, so I'm just gonna watch some TV and yeah, relax.
To ask wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do?
Meeting Claire for dinner, and we are going to Kokoro because no one eats there with me, so she's the only one. It's a date night. With Claire, PT is closing, so we're getting our last boba fixed because they close tomorrow.
So sad. So bittersweet.
Yeah, so what did you get?
I got my peach oolong, the cream peach oolong. It's like one of our favorites.
And then I got the and matcha milk tea in a way.